So welcome back. We are now doing the bandage or plaster removal for this patient. This boy is 21-year-old from Maharashtra. He's such a sweet boy. Just the thing, he's little scared of every procedure, so that's why he wants his mother here, and we are okay with that. So let us remove the bandage for this guy. Bandage removal will be little problematic because of the beard or the mustache that grows, and since we put the pressure pack and it will be very sticky, there will be little amount, but when removed carefully there won't be much pain. The pain is not due to the surgery, it is because the pain is because the plaster will be very sticky and it will be sticking to the skin and the hair. So when carefully removed, it won't be much painful. कुछ नहीं होगा, डरा मत. There won't be any stitches on the surface of the face, so no worries about the stitches or the wound. Stitches, everything will be placed intraorally, that is inside the mouth, so no bandage will come on the stitches, so that won't be painful. थोड़ा सा, कुछ नहीं होगा.
काई नहीं.
Think of some song. कुछ गाने के बारे में सोचो. क्या गाना पसंद है तुम्हें? मम्मी को पता है वो गाना?
नहीं.
तुम्हें जो पसंद है मम्मी को पता नहीं है? क्यों? तुमने कभी बोला नहीं?
नहीं.
क्यों नहीं बोला? क्यों नहीं बोला तुमने? So this is now you can see how he looked before and how he looks now. So he had this facial asymmetry, his jaw line had turned completely to his right side, and now we have corrected it properly. So what are the procedures we did for him was, we did Lefort 1 fracture and we got his maxilla forward by 4 mm, and we did some genioplasty and BSSO was done. Bilateral sagittal split osteotomy was done, and his mandible, which was completely forward, was taken back, and it was fixed using screws and plates. So you can see how he looks here. His facial profile here, it was very flat, and the maxilla was completely retruded, and he had this retrognathic maxilla, and mandible was completely protrusive. So after the procedure, this is how he looks. You can compare here how he looks. He has this, and you can see where his teeth were, like his maxillary teeth were completely backwardly placed and mandible was forward. This is like typical classical class 3 malformation he had. Now it's bite. Yeah, now you can see the maxillary teeth are forward and the mandibular teeth are gone inside. This is how we wanted to get his teeth fixed properly in Engel's class 1 relation, and now he needs some orthodontic treatment too. So after this orthognathic surgery, he needs that also. So this is how his side profile looked. Turn that side, turn. You can see how he looks now. Close. होंठो बंद कीजिए. हाँ. See, this is how he looks now. So this is how his lips were, and now his lips are looking good. And look at the facial profile. There is significant changes on his face. So right now his mother was telling that whatever the boy she had before has been changed. Now she is telling she has got a second changed son for her. आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं एक और बार? आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
अभी बहुत अच्छा फील कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
अभी जो ये चेहरा है ये नॉर्मल दिखाई दे रहा है. पहले से तो जो था वो अबनॉर्मल दिखाई देता था.
हाँ.
अभी ये नॉर्मल सेट किया है आपने. आप भगवान की जगह है. भगवान से
all thanks to Dr. Sunil
आप,
Richardson and his team.
टोटली टीम और डॉक्टर सब, आप भगवान से भी ऊपर मैं आपको बोलूँगी, भगवान से ऊपर आपको जगह दूँगी. लेकिन ये जो स्ट्रगल था बचपन से, उसने ये एबनॉर्मल के कारण बहुत स्ट्रगल किया था. समाज में घूमने फिरने में बच्चे भी उसको खेलने नहीं देते थे जब वो छोटा था. अभी डॉक्टरों ने बोला था कि 21 साल के बाद में ये होगा, 18 साल के बाद में होगा। तो हमने बहुत सर्च किया, और विशेष में ये कहना चाहूँगी कि ये जो आपका जो पता है, इसी ने ही नेट पर सर्च किया खुद में,
Very
उसने
nice.
उसी ने, और उसके सिस्टर ने आपको यहाँ मैसेज किया। फिर बाद में बताने के बाद हमने सोचा अभी क्या करना है, पैसे को तो क्या करना है, अपने बच्चे की तो ज़िंदगी मेन है। इसकी वजह से हम यहाँ तक पहुँचे, और हम बहुत अच्छा फील कर रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा फील कर रहे हैं। और आप सब टीम को हम धन्यवाद देना चाहते हैं।
Thank you. Okay, no words to be told now, but even though he feels that he is a very sweet boy, he listens to each and everything we told, he underwent everything, and he has a very good pain tolerance also, so no way he looks abnormal for us. He's a very sweet boy. Only thing is he always wanted his mother by his side, but he listened to everything, and we could get him a very good facial features for him, so we wish all the best for his future. Okay, all the best. Thank you.